Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TVIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning and go ahead and get rid of that line down there. Yeah, that level still pertains to the chart, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $15 is one of the newest areas of support, although I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level up. So yes, 15 is still an area of support, but again, for the sake of not having lines everywhere you look, let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But what I am going to do is adjust this up to what I would now call the ideal level of support going forward at 1575. Ideal meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And my reply would be, well, ideally speaking, if the price can stay up above 1575, that would certainly make the chart look extremely, extremely impressive. With all that being said, it's not like if the price falls below 1575, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above 1575, that would be a huge sign of power. Looking at things from more of a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 1575 would be great, but at the end of the day, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the overall chart is fully in, the upwards momentum, favor. So as far as, supports, keep an eye on those levels. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy here. The party finally stopped today right up there at essentially 17. So 17 will be public enemy number 1 going forward. If the price can push up through 17, then next key level after that would be right up there at not too far off at about $17.25. So definitely a little miniature resistance zone coming up here. If the price can get up through there, then yeah, that actually creates quite a bit more space, but one hurdle at a time. So let's see if the price can get up through those areas. All in all, though, very powerful move today, huge volume. So we'll see if the momentum can continue in the upwards direction or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.